what I think is the most important for the hairdresser to confident to upsell, which is with this point is if you don't have this important point, you can't not even do anything. So what is the first point important is hairdresser knowledge. That is the first important point. Let me say very clear with this. What is mean hairdresser knowledge? I mean hairdresser knowledge about particular that products. Do you like I say with for example, like I say the heat protector. What is the knowledge of yourself in that product? What do you have from? You don't even like, you don't know why you have to use it. You don't know when to use it. You don't know what do you need that for. And you don't really know what is different from that product with another product. If you don't have that, you can't even say anything to customer. You can't even sell or whatever you want to upsell. You can't. Yeah. So that's why the first thing for the hairdresser to build your knowledge, the first thing, research about those products. You need to research about those products. If you don't research about those products and you find out the knowledge what you need and why you need it and how to use this and when is the best time to use, and you need to update that. You need to understand all of that for yourself. I mean, that is, you need to understand that first, and then you have to use those products for yourself. Then you feel about that. One day you realize, oh my gosh, I love this. This is, I never know about that. Now you start to love. When you start to love those products, it just naturally you go to share with the customer. Okay, it's not about even you try to find the solution for customer, but you don't have that knowledge in your mind. You can't sell it. You can't even sell it. Like to me, when the customer say, okay, my hair is dry, I know exactly why hair is dry. I know because that is in my mind. I already research about that. I already share that for my customer to use that, and they get the benefit from there. I already know I use that for myself, and I already know exactly why is that the hair dry. With the people, they say, okay, I use the purple shampoo, but it doesn't work. I know exactly why that purple shampoo doesn't work. Why is that? And what is the solution for they use the purple shampoo to stop brassy hair for work, for its make it work, make it easy for them. If you know that knowledge, you already use that, you already share that customer, you take that, you share with that customer. Then they listen, they believe, and then they can do it. So that's why I say everything is start about yourself, about your hairdresser, about your knowledge, about what you believe on it, what you trust in it, and how you love it. It starts from there. If you don't have that, you can't sell. This is I so confident to say with you about that. If you don't know about the products, you don't know the knowledge, you don't know about how to use that and how it works, you can't even sell it. Okay, that is just so important. Let me give you an example. This is make clear for you to understand why that important. Let's say, okay, I go to the supermarket, I get the 2-minute noodle, like Korean brand. I take it home, I use it, I eat it, and I feel it's really good. I eat the first time, I just eat normal. The second time, I just add something in. And I use that and I just feel, oh my gosh, this is so good. This is exactly what I want. I feel it's just so nice. The taste is beautiful. It's just totally different with another noodle. And I feel when I eat that, I don't feel like get sick about that. And it make me feel like more energy. And when I add something in and I feel it's just so perfect. I feel that. When I feel with that, and then whenever I see my friend, I say, hey, you know what? I just eat this noodle last week and I feel just so good. I eat that a couple times and I feel really good with that. And then naturally, I just share with my friend. I say, okay, but you know what? In this, they say, okay, you put water in and leave 2 minutes. But I like the way I eat, I leave it 3 minutes. It's a little bit softer. And then I add a little bit like chili sauce on and a little bit salad. And oh my God, it's just perfect. I think I can eat this every day. It just makes me feel so good, so energy, and feel so good about that. When I say that, with your friend, they know about noodle. They hear what I say. They say, oh my God, I might try that. I want to try that. I want to get it and buy it, and I try that. But the key in here, what I mean is because I buy it, I use the way I want. I do in the first time. I follow their instruction. It doesn't give me the best result. It doesn't give me the good thing. But when I try my way and I already eat that, and it just make me feel how good is that with my way. So that's why I go to share with my friend just naturally the way I use that. I love that. I share with her. That's why she pick it up with the way I love, the way I eat. And she say, okay, I might try that. Just imagine that story. Just imagine if I have another friend, she say, okay, hey Giang, this noodle is really good. I eat that and I feel really good. Are you sure? Are you sure? But I ask her, are you sure? But I don't say, I will try it. Because she say that is not enough information to make me feel I love it. It just doesn't show me what she like in there. What it makes she love, what it makes she, and when I heard that, I can feel she doesn't even try it. She doesn't even like eat that and feel that, and she say that to me. I feel that straight away. So that's why one thing I use that, I love it, I share it. It's just naturally the way I share. Another way she say about that, but she doesn't use that. She doesn't love that. She say to me, it's just, no, I don't know. I will say that is how when you go to sell the hair care product for customer, if you don't use it, if you don't love it, it just doesn't give you the way the customer can feel you love it. You use it, they don't trust you. They don't trust you, and they don't say, okay, They never say, oh, I might get it to go. I give it to go. I try it. They never say that. But they say, if you don't use it, the way you say it's just totally different. Trust me, totally different. But if you already use it, you share it, the customer will believe what you say. And then they say, yep, whatever you say, I will get it. That is how I sell. All right. So that is, just recap, is so important about start from knowledge with yourself. Start from yourself is the first thing is you have to use it and you have to love it. Find the hair care products which is you like, use it, love it, and then you can use that. Based on that, you share with customer. All right.